Asking simple questions in simple present tense. Personal information and daily life. Personal information and daily life. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Are you tired? Are you tired? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you married? Are you married? What is your job? What is your job? How tall are you? How tall are you? Do you have kids? Do you have kids? Is your life busy? Is your life busy? Where do you live? Where do you live? Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Do you live near here? Do you live near here? Do you wake up early? Do you wake up early? What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep? Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Do you cook at home? Do you cook at home? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? Do you eat breakfast? Do you eat breakfast? Do you have a busy day? Do you have a busy day? What do you do every day? What do you do every day? Help and assistance. Help and assistance. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Can I help you? Can I help you? Can you go faster? Can you go faster? Who else can help? Who else can help? Do you need help? Do you need help? Can you call them? Can you call them? Can you wait here? Can you wait here? Can I carry that? Can I carry that? Do you fix things? Do you fix things? Can you carry this? Can you carry this? Do you clean this? Do you clean this? Do you need a ride? Do you need a ride? Do you help at home? Do you help at home? Do you need a hand? Do you need a hand? Can you help me read? Can you help me read? Can you open the door? Can you open the door? Do you help your friends? Do you help your friends? Do they want you to help? Do they want you to help? Do you answer the phone? Do you answer the phone? Location and directions. Location and directions. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Is this your home? Is this your home? What street is this? What street is this? Where do you park? Where do you park? Where is the school? Where is the school? Is the bank near here? Is the bank near here? Where is the hospital? Where is the hospital? Is your office far? Is your office far? Do you live in this city? Do you live in this city? How far is it from here? How far is it from here? Is there a store nearby? Is there a store nearby? Where do you buy food? Where do you buy food? Where do I take the bus? Where do I take the bus? How do I go to the hotel? How do I go to the hotel? Where is the gas station? Where is the gas station? Is there a pool near here? Is there a pool near here? Where do you eat lunch? Where do you eat lunch? Where is the train station? Where is the train station? Is your home on this road? Is your home on this road? School and education. School and education. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Do you like school? Do you like school? What do you study? What do you study? Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Is your school big? Is your school big? Do you read books? Do you read books? Do you take the bus? Do you take the bus? Do you write notes? Do you write notes? Do you bring lunch? Do you bring lunch? Do you study at night? Do you study at night? Is your school far? Is your school far? Do you do homework? Do you do homework? Do you ask questions? Do you ask questions? How do you do in school? How do you do in school? What subject do you like? What subject do you like? What time do classes start? What time do classes start? Where do you sit in class? Where do you sit in class? When do you start school? When do you start school? When do you finish school? When do you finish school? Feelings and opinions. Feelings and opinions. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Are you happy? Are you happy? Do you enjoy it? Do you enjoy it? Do you feel tired? Do you feel tired? Is it fun? Is it fun? Is that fair? Is that fair? Is that good? Is that good? Is this easy? Is this easy? Do you agree? Do you agree? Are you bored? Are you bored? Do you feel cold? Do you feel cold? Do you feel safe? Do you feel safe? Are you nervous? Are you nervous? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? What do you think? What do you think? Do you like the movie? Do you like the movie? Do you like it here? Do you like it here? Is this hard for you? Is this hard for you? Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Well done. You finished today's shadow practice. Please go through this video again. Train your speech, train your ears, train your mind. Bye.